Good evening, everyone. Today we are again here to discuss the remaining AMO Grade 2 2017 papers. So let's start with a certain book has a digit number 1 to 30. Then any page number that contains a digit 2 is entirely erased. So 2 will be erased, 12 will be erased, 20 will be erased, 21, 22, like this, 28 and 29. So you can tell the child just to find the sum. For finding the sum from 20 to 29, again, you can teach them to find the pairing method. So 29 plus 20, 21 plus 28, and then 22 plus 27. So just see, the sum is 49. And how many numbers between 29 and 20? 10 numbers divided by 2. Why 2? Because there are one pair, no? So pairing always there will be divided by 2. So this give you 245 and plus 14. These two sum, this gives you 14. So this give you 259, and which will be the required answer. Let's go ahead. Jack is John's brother. The sum of their ages is 17. So sum of their ages is 17. So there are two brothers, Jack plus John. Sum of ages is 17. Now after 5 years, what will be the case? Both will have added 5 years. So how much will be the addition in the age? 10. So 27 years. Now what is happening? Jack will be twice as old. So if I see Jack, this is twice as old. So this is like this. And John will be how much? John will be 1 unit. Any you can assume like 1 unit. So this will be 2 units. So total units is how much? 3 units. So 3 units is 27. So 1 unit is 9. So how much they are asking for? Jack. So Jack will be 18 years. Right? That will be the answer because they are asking about after 5 years only. Okay. Next question. So here, cost of 3 pencil and 2 markers. 3 pencils plus 2 markers is 12. And same, they have just interchanged the number. Just I have teach you this type of question earlier also in my video. So whenever you see interchange, just add them. So 5 pencil plus 5 marker is 25. And then you divide by 5. So 1 pencil plus 1 marker is 5. And then you multiply it by 6 to get the required answer. So your answer will be 30. Next. At Springfield Elementary School, a self-contained either 4 math book or 5 spelling book. So 4 math book or 5 spelling book. So always it will be in the multiple of 4 for math book and 5 for spelling book. Now there are how many cells? There are 20 cells. And how many spelling book? 65 spelling book and some number of math book. You don't know how many math book, but you can ascertain that 65 divided by 5, that will be 13 number of cells that will be used for keeping the whole of the spelling book. So how many cells remaining? 20 minus 13, 7. And that you know that all the cells will have maths book and they will be always in multiple of 4. So 7 into 4, that will be 28. So 28 books will be there. Next. So this type of question, see there are 3 unknowns and you have to use simultaneous equation for solving, but grade 2, they don't know simultaneous equation, what to do? So just see the figure, use pictogram type of explanation to the child, add the 3. So 3 triangle plus 3 square equal to 12. They can understand this very well. So 1 triangle plus 1 square is how much? 4. So this will be 4. Then 1 circle, you find it at 4. Now here, 1 triangle plus 1 square is equal to 4. So here also you put 4. So 4 plus 1 square is 7. That means 1 square is 3. So now here it will be 8 plus 3. This give you 11. So that will be the final answer for this question. Now this was the, I found most intelligent type of question, or you can see most tough question for a child to interpret, for particularly when he is in grade 2. So 84 unit cubes means the, how many cubes are there? Total 84 cubes. 84 unit cubes. Now you see carefully, 4 square layers, first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer. And how many pairs of square? How many square pattern? 1 into 1, then 3 into 3, then 5 into 5, and 7 into 7. So the question being asked is, how many unit cubes are completely surrounded by 6 other unit cube? If you assume this one, then definitely you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be not surrounded by that. But the one below this will be surrounded by 6, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. You means I cannot explain you by drawing it, but you can understand just below this square will be surrounded by 6. Similarly here, the 9 squares in this area will be surrounded by up and down both by 6. So it will be 3 into 3 plus 1 into 1. So yeah, if you increase the level, so it will be every time alternate one, right? Suppose this will be one more level, then it will be leaving this down one. Okay, so that way you have to understand the child, the meaning of the question, because the Global Olympiad, they keep on experimenting with the visualization of the question. If that work for your child, that become a very, very blessing in disguise. That's how I like the beauty of Olympiad questions for the global one. Take care. Bye.